Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this ALLPOWERS solar generator portable power station, the model S200, with battery capacity 154 Wh, 41,600 mAh, with 200 Watt AC output and more features. Let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. ALLPOWERS wireless charging. The power cord is about 1.2 meters for the power adapter. AC/DC adapter, input 100 to 240 volt, max 2.5 amp, output 18 volt 2 amp. And we have another meter, the cable that it goes at the power station. And of course inside included we have in the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. Left and right we have the ventilation. At the front we have the 200 Watt AC output, 240 Watt surge, the LCD display, the power button for the LCD display, the LED indicator for many functions, 2 USB output 5 volt 2.4 amp, maximum 3 amp. Here we have the Type-C output with power delivery 60 watt, 5, 9, 12, 15, 20 volt. The DC in, you can connect the cable and charge this power station. And of course you can connect and a Type-C, not included the cable or the power adapter, and you can fast dual charge this power station. It will take about 1.5 hours. And of course you can use as an output, as I mentioned, the Type-C. And we have then the USB output button and the AC output button. I will show you how you can use all that. At the bottom we have 6 rubber feet. It will stay very secure at any surface. Yep, it is very secure, it doesn't move, it doesn't go anywhere. And of course at the front we have the display. At this moment the battery, it is in 0%. I need to charge the battery. And we have then the wireless output. It is 5 volt 1 amp, 2.4 amp maximum. And you can charge your smartphone wirelessly and any device with wireless charging compatibility. All the device, it has a circuit protection, short circuit, over current, over power, over charge, over temperature and more. And you can power up 5 devices simultaneously. From the USB-A to Type-C, wireless charging and the AC output socket. Is powerful enough to charge your laptop, phone, camera, drone, holiday lights and more, meeting different kinds of electricity demands usage for outdoor working, learning, emergency. You can have it anywhere when you are traveling because it is small, portable and easy to put in any bag. So let's plug it in, give it a charge for the first time. We have the indicator, now it's charging. It says 28 watt input. And I will connect and the Type-C. And now we can see the input is increasing, 75, 82 watt, 83. Definitely it will take less to charge this device, 1.5 hours. I will check and see how long it will take. And of course if you want you can charge it from the solar charger, 99 watt max solar input. So let's wait until it will fully charge and test it. After 1 hour and 30 minutes it was fully charged, fast charging. If you are using the power adapter, we can see now it is green, the LED light, was red when charging. 1 Combine it with a Type-C, you will have fast charging. Of course, if you want, you can use the solar panel. If you are at the camping, connect the solar panel and be green. Harvest the power of the sun. It is good for the environment. So now let's disconnect the power adapter and the Type-C. 99 hours battery remaining. And of course, you can wireless charging your smartphone. 5%, 4 hours and 9 minutes until fully charged. And after a few seconds, the LCD display, it will turn off. Just press the on off button to turn on. 24 hours remaining the battery capacity. And 4 watt, it is the DC output. And of course, if you want, you can charge and your pads. 61 hours remaining battery. 1 watt, it is the DC output. Now let's see how long it will take to charge my smartphone through the Type-C port. Super fast charging, 6%. Wow! 1 hour and 14 minutes until fully charged. Good time. 5.6 hours the battery capacity and DC output 21 watt. And now let's check from the USB-A at the front. Charge my smartphone. And we have charging 9%. 2 hours and 26 minutes until fully charged. It takes longer, it's not fast charging, so use the Type-C if you want. 17 hours and DC output, it is 6 watt. And of course you can do that and simultaneously you can charge your smartphone and your pads. If that is from the Type-A or the Type-C. Connecting from the Type-A. If I will press the button here, it will switch off the Type-A ports. USB out, here the button, you can just press. We can see and the LED indicator it is off, so if I'm going to press again, we can see green light at the Type-A ports and the LED it is on. Off, on. Now let's test and the socket. Now to enable the socket, you need to press and hold the AC output for 3 seconds. I can hear the fan. The LED indicator it is orange right now. Inside it has a fan to cool down all the internal parts. 24 hours. So using the socket, so many things to charge or to use. I can charge my battery for my power tools. And we can see the AC output, it is 104 watt. Remaining battery it is 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now we can hear in the fan for the charger of my battery. You can charge your batteries for your power tools outdoors. Or this soldering iron, I can just plug it at the socket. And now it says 2 hours remaining battery, AC output 54 watt. Maximum it is 200 watt. Or I can just plug in my laptop. And we can see now it says 1.3 hours remaining capacity. 79 watt, it is the AC output, and I'm charging my laptop, using my laptop however I want and whenever. I think the 1.4 hours more battery to your laptop, it is enough for me. So total about 4 hours. This is a gaming laptop, 1.7 inch display. You can charge your MacBook from the socket or the Type-C, and definitely with your MacBook you will have more time. I can connect another Type-A here and charge my other smartphone. I can wirelessly charge my pads, connect and another smartphone through the Type-C, and we can see total DC output 27 watt, AC output 80 watt. We have more juice, and the remaining capacity it is 1 hour. Charging 5 devices simultaneously. I like that, thumbs up. Now I will disconnect my laptop and connect this extended power cord at the power station. Connect my laptop here at the power cord and then connect and my power tool. Okay, let's see. 123 watt total the power consumption for the AC output. DC 19 watt, 23 right now. We have more or less 150 watt. Let's see if we can connect more. And I can connect at the multiple socket and the lights. There are the lights. Now we have AC 126 watt, DC 23 watt, total about 150 watt, more or less. And let's connect and my power bank through the Type-A. There it is, and my power bank is charging. And now we have 170 watt. And I'm charging 2 smartphones, the power bank, the wireless pads, giving power through the socket, my laptop, the lights, and this iron soldering. So many devices. I like it, so cool. One small device, it can give power to so many devices. 68% it is the battery capacity, 0.5 hours remaining power. As a YouTube creator, this device will help me a lot for my outdoor activities. Charging my cameras, smartphone. Sometimes I need to have a cellular router with me and give him power, or give power to the product I'm making a video. And of course you can use it for emergency use at your home when power is off, for any outdoor activities like camping, fishing, for your picnic and more. So definitely it will be very helpful for me. If it can charge and give power to so many devices, then it has passed my expectations. So if you want to find out more about this product and where you can buy it, you can check down below at the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.